Hey Instagram, Lonestar Woodwork here. I'm going to be doing a review of the Massca pocket hole jig, and I love it. I've had it for about 2 months, and I finally got to use it about a month ago, and I really haven't stopped using it. It's been great. I love how it's all aluminum body. The drill guide is fully aluminum, and I do believe stainless steel guides inside of it. You get 2 Allen wrenches with it. One is for the dust port, and one is to take the drill guide on and off to make it portable. You get a plate that will be for the portability of the drill guide, and you get the stop collar. You also get drill bit and the square tip bit for the screws. It does come with screws, but I've used them, so I didn't get to put them in the video. This thing is freaking awesome. You also get a step guide for figuring out what size wood and all that is, the holes that you're going to need. There is centimeters, millimeters, and inches right here. That's to tell you what size wood you have and where you're going to be putting the drill guide. They have the same thing on the front. They have 2 knobs here on the sides that allow you to lock it in place at whatever size you're going to need. It's really simple to move up and down to get in position. Great. The lockdown for the wood slides very easy. It locks it down very tight. I love it. I think it's better than sliced bread. Put it that way. Dust port, 1.25 inches. Fits all your standard little hoses. And this thing is awesome. It gets the dust out of the way. You don't have to sit there and jack with dust building up down here at the bottom. As soon as you drill it, it's sucking it out. It works fabulous. This is also what you get in the box. Get your step bit so you can, when you go drilling down, you don't over drill. Put this in. Put it in. Turn it to whatever size you need. Take your bit, drill bit, stick it down in here. This is at 1 inch. Stop collar. You're going to put it on. This is the Allen wrench for it to lock it down in place. Lock it down. It's not going anywhere. It's staying exactly where it's supposed to be. You can take off your gauge, and every time it will drill. Perfect. See how it stops before it actually hits the metal? I've got the blue brand, and I've drilled through it so many times, I can't even count. And it's always made me mad. So you can take that out, put your wood in, do your pocket holes, be done. Your plate. This entire piece comes off. Take the 4 screws out from the bottom, put this plate on, and it becomes portable. It also has a groove here, so you can lock it down to a table or wherever you need it, and it could be unhooked and taken somewhere else, or you can put screws in it and screw it directly down and not have to move it at all if you just want it left in one spot. You get your jig, paperwork, booklet, instructions, information on anything you might want to know, how to set it up. You also get the step bit, or the square drive bit. This is the Allen wrench to take the drill guide off of the base and make it portable. So I gotta say, this thing has been amazing since I started using it, and it has not disappointed me yet. I don't believe it will. It's very heavy duty aluminum. The drill bit is 3/8. The dust port is 1.25 inches. Fully aluminum body and drill gauge. It'll go from a 1/2 inch up to a 1.5 inch on wood size. And I have not been disappointed. I love it. And if you're looking to get a new pocket hole jig, to buy a pocket hole jig, trade in your other one, whatever, get rid of it and get a new one, I highly recommend the Massca pocket hole jig. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all with it, just like me. Alright, y'all have fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll do a new review here soon.